this not just the absolute best?
It is. It really is. I'm obsessed with this place. I'm so sad we only have 6 days here. I wish we had way more time, to be honest. Okay, we ordered what's called the Barbie smoothie. It has peanut butter, vanilla, espresso, and banana. It sounds amazing. You want a sip of that? Oh, that is so delicious. It's so rich. I could drink one of those every morning.
Banana and peanut butter, I think it's like the deadliest mix of anything. And to throw like a little bit of espresso in this, I like. Yeah, this is actually all I need, like in the morning.
I could see this becoming your new hyperfixation. I feel like this combination has you written all over it, that you would just be like, now I found the recipe and I will make this every day for the next 10 years, once a day, without fail.
I might just do that.
This cafe was super, super chill, but the music was pretty loud. They were playing like really awesome cumbia music from like Colombia, and it was really, really awesome vibes. But yeah, we basically can't use any of that if we're if we're planning to monetize this video. But the food was so, so good.
So good. I got an avocado bagel that had sun-dried tomatoes, a poached egg, you know, some other little sprinkling of spice, some pickled onions on it. It was so delicious.
And I got the bagel burger, which was unreal. I also don't normally get burgers for breakfast, but
you got that.
It was on the breakfast menu. I had to get it. It was delicious.
Honestly, just great vibes. The staff were amazing and delicious food. So what more could we ask for in the morning?
Exactly.
How do you feel about this stroller, Sarah?
I have a love-hate relationship. This is the first trip we've gone on with a stroller, and every so often it's super nice because Junie definitely enjoys it more than the carrier right now because she can look around a bit more. But the roads are just not made for it. So it's like, it'll be really nice like this, and then all of a sudden it really kind of sucks again. Also, it was like a $10 Facebook Marketplace find, so it's not the best stroller. But, you know, I don't know.
Be honest though, like it's either this or a carrier, and she's on you, and it's hot.
I know, it's true. So that in that way, it is worth it. I think it was worth it. I mean, we didn't pay to check it on our flight, so that was the key.
Yeah.
But it is nice in times like this that she can just look around and I'm not 3 billion degrees. I love that there's a sign that says, "Do not feed the crocodiles," for this area, and we literally were swimming right there last night. Was there crocodiles over there? I don't know.
It's fine.
Yeah, it's probably fine. So yesterday when we went to this other public free swimming area, we could see that there's this big boardwalk over here, and it's actually an ecological park. I think it's a big protected area, but it looks like this big rectangle that Eric could see on the drone. And so I guess you can just walk along the whole boardwalk. It was only 20 pesos each, so we're just gonna go for a little walk.
The color of this water is actually ridiculous.
It's so crazy and so clear.
Yeah, it's so clean. And going on this boardwalk, we found out, because this is like obviously like a protected area, and we found out that it's because of all these snails that are in the water. They're just like completely cleaning everything. They're decomposing anything that falls in, and all these different things are just like, I guess that's what actually makes it so clear and so blue, which is just pretty crazy.
So cool.
There's like signs everywhere not to even like touch the snails or take them out, because that is really like the lifeblood actually of Bacalar, if you think about it.
Totally. It's the reason why it's the Lake of Seven Colors.
Yeah.
Well, we made made the rookie mistake of forgetting to bring sunscreen along this morning when we went for breakfast. So we have kind of maxed out the time we're comfortable having Junie in the sun, which means we now need to walk back to our place. But you know, it's not the worst idea anyways because it is so hot. So I think we're gonna jump in the pool, try to cool off.
Yeah, there you go. Oh. Too much, Dad. Too much.
Well, isn't this nice?
Place with a pool.
Oh, just amazing. Not that there isn't enough places to swim in Bacalar, but
Yeah.
it's funny how our standards have changed of accommodation requirements. Not that a pool is always a requirement,
Yeah.
but it is so nice in such a hot place when Junie goes for a nap that we can have somewhere to come back and we can play in the pool. Oh, yeah, okay.
And just to have something at home base, because I feel like that's a huge thing, is when Junie is angry or hot and needs a little refresher.
Yeah.
It's just nice to have a pool like this.
Or if we're angry and hot.
That never happens. That never would happen. It couldn't be me.
Is Mexico made for strollers there?
Definitely, the sidewalks are ideal. That's so cool. I want the iguana to crawl right on the cannon. Come on, buddy. You're so close. Give me a show. Crawl in it, actually. Oh.
Doesn't look like it.
Come on, buddy.
Just found his basking spot.
Hi, Tian. Hi, Dad.
I feel like this is our first trip with Juniper that it sort of feels like we're realizing there's a lot of things that we like can't do with a baby. You know?
Yeah, I think that's because this trip has included way more things to do with water. And we didn't bring her baby life jacket along because we're never going to let her swim by herself anyways.
Yeah.
But there's just a lot of things, like we really wanted to go to those really cool rapids that are here in Bacalar. But just when we looked into it, it's like, it's not going to be that fun to go down rapids with a baby. And then we're like, maybe we could kayak. But next thing we hail a taxi and drive all the way out there.
Totally.
And then they don't actually have baby life jackets. And what if she hates the kayak? There's just all these moving things. And with water, I feel like it's just a lot more complicated that we don't, you know, we don't really know how things are going to go with the baby.
Yeah. There are a lot of what ifs, and I think like a big part of it is like sometimes you just have to go and do it and see what happens.
Yeah.
But then there's the what ifs that it's like if we go there and it doesn't have that, then like what, we're just gonna come back like.
Yeah, which would be fine.
Yeah, like we're gonna go on a boat tour later. And hopefully they have what we need.
Yeah, I feel like that'll suffice.
Yeah, we are trying, however, to get a postcard right now in the middle of town, and we're finding it very difficult to find a Bacalar postcard for some reason.
Yeah, I thought those would have been a dime a dozen.
Yeah.
But
Apparently not.
that one maybe.
Find anything that tickles your fancy?
I mean, not really. That one's kind of cool. But we haven't really watched the sunset yet because Juniper's always in bed. It's got to remind me of the place, you know?
Right.
Which is your favorite? We got this one, the nice water in the Palapa that kind of reminds you of that other night. This one, more of a look at the town. Then we got just blue water with a boat, town shot, or that boardwalk thing that we walked on.
I personally am digging the boardwalk one.
Yeah, this one?
Yeah.
I feel like that's pretty cool because I feel like that has sentimental value because we had a nice little walk on there. And we try, this is our only souvenir we've been buying for Juniper, is we buy a postcard in every country we go to, and then we both write one of our favorite memories of her in that country on the back. So hopefully one day she can just have a little album of a collection of all of our memories of her. And she's gonna love it, right?
You're gonna love it.
You're gonna love
You
it!
have to love it.
Because I love you. Now this is what I've been looking for. A giant margarita. Oh, Jeannie's gonna help me drink it. This looks tasty. Where were these the first day we were in Mexico? I want one of these every day. Oh, gracias. Wow. Increíble. Wow.
Qué bueno. Ya tiene todo. Ay, cuidado. Gracias.
Try to squeeze out as much lime as possible on these things. Sarah's over there taking care of the juniper, making sure she doesn't climb on the table. It's very necessary these days.
I feel like we always just eat separately at this point. It's like one of us is watching Junie and one of us is eating. It's a stage of life.
Ready?
Boat time, boat time.
So you get on the boat, and what's the first problem we have to try and deal with?
Well, the first problem is that they said we have a baby life jacket, and of course, they always just say they have one, but it's a bit of a hunt to actually find it. The second thing, though, that's so funny is we decided to do the private pontoon boat instead, so we can just go wherever we want and not have to like go with a big group. But this boat is so big. I don't know why I was expecting it to be like way smaller. This looks like it could fit so many people. Looks like we're just gonna have a big party boat to ourselves.
I'm down.
Like we need more friends, Eric.
We just need more friends to travel with us.
Yeah, exactly. Friends, come and party on this boat with us. Junie's ready.
Doesn't even look real right now.
Doesn't feel real. This is the life right now.
So if you know anything about the Yucatan Peninsula, there's just cenotes everywhere. There's like thousands of them throughout the region, and this is no exception. Or there's actually 3 cenotes that are on the regular tour here at Bacalar, and we're just going around one of them now. They're all just connected to the lake, which is pretty sweet.
It's so beautiful. I just love how the water color changes so drastically. Like the cenotes are so much darker blue water. So gorgeous. I'm assuming they're probably much deeper. That's probably why.
Oh yeah.
It'd be crazy to dive here, I feel like.
Yeah, it'd be sweet.
It'd be weird. Beautiful.
And everybody else is here too.
The sailboats are so beautiful. This is arguably some of the bluest water we've ever seen. And I feel like we've seen a lot of blue water.
100%.
But this is actually a crazy color.
I feel like you only ever really see this color in like glacier water. You know?
Yeah,
in lakes
totally.
at least.
It's like crystal light blue. I feel
Yeah.
like the light blue is the crazy
Yeah,
part.
it's true. I feel like the pontoon boat was the move, eh, Sarah?
Oh, definitely. There was also the option of going on a lancha, but I feel like this you can just actually move around.
Yeah.
Junie can move around. Although the sailboats do look really nice.
Yeah.
They're not sailing today because it's very calm, but that does look like it would be a very peaceful way to go around
Yeah.
the lake. Where are you going, June? But look how fun this is. She can go wherever she wants, and it's not stressful at all for us to hold on to her.
No, not at all. I'm not stressed.
No.
Should be fine. But it is just really cool. We just stopped on the edge of like a massive cenote. You can just see when the colors change on the water, and it just goes super, super deep. And then basically this entire bay that we're in right now is a cenote.
It's so crazy. beautiful. It's so nice.
Okay, so this spot is super cool.
Unbelievable.
The Canal de las Piratas? That's what
Yeah.
it's called.
Pirate Canal.
Yeah.
And it is so shallow and so blue again. I feel like we should have a checklist of how many times we've said blue in this video. But it is just actually blowing my mind how clear and blue this water is.
Yeah.
And like you said, it's so peaceful.
Yeah.
And warm, so I'm excited to swim.
Yeah, it's time for a dip for sure.
Tickle.
Hey, you're not tickling me, are you?
Get him.
Oh, no.
Tickle him. Do it again.
Don't tickle me. Oh.
That's so silly.
That's a silly baby. Might have a jokester on her hands.
Oh yeah.
That's so nice, eh?
This stuff.
This
Hi,
is so
sweet
nice.
girl. I
Here, let's go to the front.
we need to cool you off a little bit,
Oh,
my love.
that feels so good.
so warm, honey.
Pretending like it's cold, it's not. It's like the best temperature water, but you know that first sort of you jump in?
Oh, it's so nice.
Wow. This is awesome.
Does not get better than this
No,
right
it does
now.
not here.
Are you happy?
I love this. This is so cool.
Yeah, me too.
This is such a cool spot. I can't believe, like, this
We're
is,
just gonna have bring our baby here. Look how fun yeah. You love it? Yeah. Yeah. It's so fun. Oh no, no, do it.
If I could take you back to my youth, show you what I wish I knew. My will is strong, the place to lean. In the moment I hung that spoon, the other ring on my wrist is gold, pairing with the light of gold. When I return from my skin and bone, I'm remembering the words you told me. Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all.
that was a killer tour, I gotta say.
That was unbelievable. I'm so amazed by this lake. I for sure want to come back here. It's just so beautiful.
Yeah, never enough time. Always a reason to come back. And we had a really, really nice time here in Bacalar, if you can't already tell. So thanks so much for watching. And I have no idea what our next video is right now. But you know what?
Wow.
Wherever we go, whatever we're doing, we'll see you in the next one.
We'll take you with us. See you there. Ciao.